Crisp. Dale Murphy mini card. R. Brantley, Ryan Zimmerman, and Justin Upton. Nationals, Jason Worth, Dexter Fowler, Cal Ripken Jr., Anthony McCutcheon, Willie Ford, Clayton Kershaw, dealing aces insert, Jake Odorizzi, mini card, Yankees, Paul O'Neill, Steven Strasburg, and Russell Martin. Well, I couldn't think of that one. Just watch them beat up on the Brewers this weekend. Dale Murphy, Lou Gehrig, Nathan Eovaldi, Bryce Harper, Albert Pujols, Sliding Stars Derek Jeter, mini card, Alex Rodriguez, Mark Reynolds, Kyle Lose, and Mike Holt. Michael Brantley, Dustany Espinosa, Colby Rasmus, Eric Hosmer, Brant Balfour, Roberto Clemente, mini for the Padres, Chase Headley, Shelby Miller, rookie for the Cardinals, Manny Machado, rookie for the Orioles, and Nick Miranda. Robinson Cano, Paul Goldschmidt, Johan Santana, Ernie Banks. Silver framed up. Ooh, that's a 1 of 1. Very cool. Let's get a 1 touch for that one. Very cool for the Cardinals. A 1 of 1 framed David Freese. Here's the 1 of 1. Very cool. That one going to Ramp Rat. Very nice. Jared Weaver. Mini Bernard Spand. David Ortiz. Delman Young and Jason Vargas. Rosenthal, Jim Rice, Frank Thomas, Chad Billingsley, Salvador Perez, Ozzie Smith, a black framed or mini card, excuse me, is Drupal Cabrera for the Indians to 199. Going to J. Venn Cards. Mariners, Kendry Morales, Lance Lynn, and Johnny Cueto. Clayton Kershaw, Blake Bly11, Matt Moore, Alex Gordon, Tony Perez, no-hitters for the Braves, Warren Spahn, Carlos Santana mini, Dodgers Jackie Robinson, Ivan Nova, and Alex Rodriguez. 2 packs to go. Babe Ruth, Mark Teixeira, Alexi Ramirez, Mike Moustakas, Felix Durbont, mini card, Yunzi Randall, Alcides Escobar for the Royals, Mike Gonzalez, John Lester, and Dale Murphy. And the final pack for tonight, Marco Scudero, Jamil Weeks, Chris Capuano, Craig Kimbrell, dealing aces for the Phillies, Cliff Lee, Derek Jeter, mini card Delman Young, Sean Markham, Robin Yount, and Nelson Cruz. That'll do it for the Monday breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with a new 2013 Topps Museum Baseball. Got a few spots left, so take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.